Hi, this is Athena Nagel behind the camera and Sephra Nagel in front of the camera, showing you today how to make your own SodaStream syrup.
Hi.
What you need is snow cone concentrate flavoring. This is unsweetened, so we have grape and blue raspberry. When I first bought my SodaStream, the grape soda is why I actually bought it. But over the years, they got rid of the grape, and now I have to make it myself. We can also make a million different flavors, well, maybe 100 different flavors, but these are the two that we're working with today. We keep our old SodaStream containers, so we're going to have some that are labeled blue raspberry, some that are labeled grape. I will tell you that these end up being diet sodas, so you'll have to look somewhere else if you want a recipe that's not diet. Then you need sucralose and citric acid. We get ours from bulksupplements.com. You could also get it from Amazon, whatever. Sephra's got them in little cups right now because it's easier than scooping out of the packages. So what she's going to do is, we're going to make grape for you right now. So she's going to pour some of that water into each of the grape containers. I will move the blue raspberry containers. So don't ever throw your SodaStream containers out because you will want them to make your own. That's good.
Yeah, that's about half. I'm not gonna use all of it.
Now she's going to take the grape syrup.
Yeah, why not?
She's going to take the grape syrup and she's going to put a quarter of a cup of grape syrup in each of the containers.
This
of
is
course,
a half, but...
Right, all we could find was a half cup scoop right at the moment, so she's just going to fill it halfway.
And these do permanently stain.
So, which is why we're doing it on a tablecloth and placemat on the dining room table. That's good.
Now we're pouring this into
Yep,
one?
just pour it into one and then pour some into the next.
No.
It's all right. We'll clean up the stuff afterwards. That's why we're not doing it directly on the table. A little bit more so.
Okay.
Ideally, you would actually have a quarter cup scoop. Now she needs to add some of the sucralose, which is extremely sweet flavoring. And she is only doing a half a teaspoon, I believe. Is that what that is?
Yep,
Half a teaspoon. And you try to get it as exact as possible. But if you want it a little bit sweeter, you could add a tiny bit more. It's up to her if she wants it a little bit sweeter. Not like another half teaspoon more, just like an eighth of a teaspoon more.
And it's not really exact, but not all of it came out, so it's fine.
Then she needs to add a teaspoon of citric acid. She can put those off to the side. She can grab 2 covers. Because, of course, when you keep the containers, you keep the covers. And she's not going to vigorously shake it. She's just going to kind of turn it upside down. Kind of like you do with the SodaStream syrup when you put it in the carbonated water. You're just going to kind of tilt it back and forth. And then what we will do off camera is finish filling those bottles with water, and then our syrup is done. You can see that right now they're only about 1/3 of the way full, but we will finish with them as with filling them up, and then in about an hour they'll be ready to actually make SodaStream sodas with. Ta-da! And this is all at a fraction of the cost, and Very delicious and not $5.99 a container. By the way, the new SodaStream bottles do not look like these. They are taller and sleeker, and they hold less syrup. So not only are we paying $5.99, but we're paying $5.99 for less than what we did when the product first came out. So why not make it yourself and have a lot of other flavors? They have everything from watermelon to strawberry kiwi. You just need to buy this syrup. The syrup we buy at 1-800-SHAVED-ICE.com. You can see it right there. And there is a shipping fee, so I would purchase like not more than one bottle at a time. I purchased 3 bottles this time. I purchased blue raspberry, grape, and orange. And next time, I'm definitely trying watermelon and God knows what else my kids want to try. And that's it. Thank you very much for stopping by.
Bye.